rather rinse and lather feeling, as opposed to shitty attitudes that made me bitter after laughter. And I dearly regretted it. I take the D train to go to BK. I can't defeat rain.